I'm an independent app developer building a Flutter mobile application called Covenant Path that helps users strengthen their spiritual habits. I handle design, development, and release. I've experimented lightly with it in the past when I had to make comparisons. I've been with multiple companies where we had to evaluate whether we went with certain chart packages, and I think that's where I was first introduced to it. Having evaluated some other packages, Syncfusion stood out because it covered every chart type I needed in just a couple of packages, charts and gauges. Every chart type I needed for trend visualization, they weren't together available anywhere else without really having to kind of gather things up in multiple libraries. A single source for any of my charting needs. Well, quite a few benefits. Besides the chart variety under one API, I got the donut, the column, the spline, the radial gauges. They all share consistent theming and configuration patterns across 8 screens and 35 plus chart instances in my app. Dark mode works immediately. Another key benefit that I found is development speed. When I had to add a new analytics screen, whether it was about mood tracking or other statistics that I wanted to display to the user, it would take me hours instead of days because the API patterns are just consistent and well documented throughout. And unless I was going to build it myself and have to maintain the quality, I trust Syncfusion to really handle that for me. There was nothing better than data being displayed in a chart or a graph or a gauge that can speak to the user to improve the user experience. Trying to build this on my own would have been really a tough task. Regardless of what type of chart or gauge or thing that I wanted, I didn't have to relearn a new API or didn't have to coordinate, for example, dark mode. It was built in and they're all consistent. I just love it in the application that I'm building. So I'm considering further analytics inside the mobile app and using reading heat maps, streak visualization charts, and the existing Syncfusion integration really makes extending analytics straightforward since the patterns are already established across the code base. Knowing that it's a solid package, it's consistent, I don't have to worry about those type of details as much as getting the data and making sure it's presented to the application users in the best experience. So I just plan on continuing to use it for future analytics. With Syncfusion, it just out of the box. Things look great, they work great with the animation and all the things that we can do with it. I don't know why anyone would try and say, oh yeah, let's spend thousands of dollars in engineering time to try and duplicate this when it's already built and it's easy to use.